Alright, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo. Just came in. Now this one they sent in that paper sleeve or cardboard sleeve. And it says on it, Tile Mosaic. This is pretty much the normal black box. On that it says Tile Mosaic also. Made in Bradford, PA in the USA, of course. This one's a little special because it is an armor Zippo. It's got the armor case. And an armor case always has that little shield with the A and the flame on top. And an armor case is 1.5 times as thick as a standard case. Here's the Zippo, and it's heavily engraved. Those are all engravings on this armor case. It's got that nice red flame, that plaque on there, the Zippo logo. Now this one was made in, looks like D of 16 or April of 16, about a year ago. And you can see on the bottom right it's got the shield with the A in the center and the flame on top. That's these Tile Mosaic. It's got a really good sound. Steel insert. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test real quick from about 2 feet. So you can see it passes the drop test nicely. That is the Tile Mosaic. Now Zippo likes to make these kind of lighters with flame and their logo on it. There's a few I've already collected, and that's another one. These are some of their better ones, I think. And since they're all made in USA, they definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.